Your oven is lying to you. 350 degrees on the dial is almost never 350 degrees inside. Ovens lose calibration over time. The thermostat drifts. You're cooking at 320 degrees thinking it's 350. That's why your baked goods are underdone and your roasts are inconsistent. Get an oven thermometer. $8 on Amazon. Put it in the center of the oven. Set to 350. Wait 20 minutes. Check the reading. Off by more than 25 degrees? Most ovens can be recalibrated through a hidden menu. Look up your model number plus the word calibration mode. The second problem. Heating element hotspots. Turn your oven on broil and watch the top element. It should glow uniformly red. Dark spots mean it's failing. What brand oven do you have? Drop it in the comments and I'll tell you how to check the calibration.